Hey tech buddies, welcome back to IMS Coding. So in this today's video, we are going to see the solution of our exercise 1. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So I hope you have completed this task. If you are not able to complete it, then no problem. In this video, I'll show you the solution. So in Visual Studio Code, I am going to create a new file named exercise1 solution.html. Get a basic HTML syntax by typing doc keyword, and inside our body I'm creating two divs, one for our HTML article and the second one is for CSS. So in our first div, add a heading, what is HTML. Then after that, there is an image. Let's get an image for this from the internet. So I am searching HTML images and I found this one. Right click here and copy the image address. Get back to Visual Studio Code and paste it inside our source. Now after the image, create an paragraph and get some random text using lorem 60. Okay, now let's copy this and paste it in our second div, changing the HTML to CSS, and let's get an image for CSS. So CSS images, I'm adding this image, right click here and copy the image address, change the src of our CSS image. Now let's view this in the browser. Right click here and open this page using live server. So see here, this page is looking like this. Now let's write the CSS. So I am writing internal CSS here, add style tag, and inside this we can write our CSS. So first I am creating a new class called article, and inside curly braces let's add some border. So I'm adding border of 2 pixel, border style solid, and the color of the border is black. Let's add this class to our divs. Hold Alt key and then we can use multi-cursor functionality. Now add article class to our divs. Get back to browser. Yeah, see here we have added the borders. Now let's add some padding here. Add padding property and I am setting its value to 30 pixels. Get back to browser. See here, we have added some padding here. Now focus here. We can also give 4 values to our padding. The first value is for top padding, second value is for right side, then the third value is for bottom, and the last value is for left side. So we can also define 4 different sizes to our 4 sides. So this is top, then right, bottom, and then left. Let's see this. Yeah, now if I want to increase the value of bottom to 80 pixel, so just change the third value to 80 pixel, and now see here the size of bottom padding is increased. So I hope you understood this. Now let's add some margin here. So I'm adding margin property and setting its value to 50 pixel. Okay, now it's looking similar to this page. But the last thing is here, we need to change the color of these headings. So the first heading color is orange and the second heading color is blue. So let's change it. I'm adding an ID attribute to our first heading and naming it HTML heading. Okay, also adding the ID to second heading and setting it to CSS heading. Now let's target this. So first type hash followed by ID name, HTML heading, and then I want to change the color of HTML heading to orange. Now let's duplicate it. Press Shift Alt plus down arrow to duplicate it, changing the ID to CSS, and I am changing it to blue. Now get back to browser. Yeah, so see here, we have successfully completed our exercise. And one more thing, we can also define the 4 different sizes of margins, like our padding. So I hope you understood this solution. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.